Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to sign up for Apple Developer account in your iPhone or an iPad. If you're using any iPhone or iPad and you're trying to sign up with your Apple Developer account, so let's see how can you do that. You just have to simply open your browser. Very first thing, you have to make sure that you have a stable and strongest network connection. Then you have to also check for VPN connection if you're connected to any VPN. If you're connected, just have to disconnect with that. After disconnecting, just go for the search option and simply search for Apple Dev, or you can also try to search for Apple Developer. And here you have to open the first website from here. Now just wait for it until it's loading. Then just scroll down, and here you will see this type interface. Now you just have to tap on these two horizontal lines in the top left. Then select account. Now here just wait for the next screen. And here you have to try to log in with your Apple account if you have any Apple account. So you can easily log in here, or if you don't have any Apple accounts, you can try to create your Apple account. Let's say I'm gonna log in with my account here, and I have logged in using my passkey here. So now just wait for the loading. So you can see that my Apple developer account has been created. Now here just tap on this yes option, then tap on agree. And here you can also customize your experience with Apple developer if you want to. But I'm gonna select remind me later from here, and here just wait for the next screen, and you might see this type interface in your Apple developer. So in this way you can easily sign up for Apple developer account in your iPhone or in your Android phone or in your iPad. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.